Hey, have you noticed the intricate patterns and shapes on the metal structures around here? It's like an art form, isn't it?
You're right. Those are not just random designs, they're carefully planned weld joints, which play a crucial role in ensuring the strength and durability of these structures.
Weld joints. I'm new to this field, and I keep hearing that term. Could you explain what it means and why it's so important?
Absolutely. Weld joints refer to the way two or more metal pieces are joined together through welding. The design of these joints is critical because it determines the load-bearing capacity, stress distribution, and overall integrity of the welded structure.
I see. So, how do you go about designing these weld joints?
Well, there are several factors to consider. First, we need to analyze the specific application and the loads the structure will be subjected to, whether it's tensile, compressive, or shear forces. Based on that, we choose the appropriate joint type, such as butt, lap, or edge joints.
That makes sense. But what about the shape of the joint? I've seen some with intricate curves and bevels.
Excellent observation. The shape of the joint is crucial for ensuring proper fusion and strength. For instance, a V-groove joint provides better penetration and fusion, while a U-groove joint is better for thicker materials. The angle of the bevel also plays a role in controlling distortion and residual stresses.
Wow, there's a lot more to it than I thought. How do you ensure the joint design is adequate for the application?
That's where codes and standards come into play. We follow industry-specific guidelines, such as a WSD 1.1 for structural steel or ASME, which provide detailed specifications for joint design, welding procedures, and quality control.
I can see why getting the weld joint design right is so important. It's the backbone of the entire structure.